Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Vanguardian class in Trove. To begin, you'll embark on a crafting journey, gathering unique materials and assembling them into powerful components. This process involves several distinct steps, each requiring careful attention to detail and resource management. We'll cover everything from collecting raw materials to the final assembly, ensuring you understand each part of this exciting endeavor. Our first major step is gathering sentient shards, a key ingredient for the Vanguardian. You can earn one shard daily by successfully completing rampage challenges, which appear periodically. While crafting rampage summons is an option, it typically demands a significant investment of resources. Alternatively, keep an eye out for greater neon caches, as they sometimes contain these elusive shards. You will need 60 sentient shards in total. Next, we focus on crafting the coded message and the intriguing kernel map. The coded message requires a decoder ring, 6,000 plasmium, and 20 blank scrolls. The decoder ring is a complex item, needing a plain metal ring, a charged circuit, and a memory matrix. You'll find the intriguing kernel map by exploring the Neon City biome. This stage involves extensive resource gathering and crafting at several different workbenches. With all your hard-earned components in hand, head to the Chaotic Combinator crafting table. Here, you will combine the 60 sentient shards, your completed coded message, and the intriguing kernel map. This final assembly will successfully unlock the formidable Vanguardian class, ready for you to master. Congratulations on acquiring this unique class. Now go forth and dominate the realms of Trove with its incredible powers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.